Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This week's video I'll be showing you how to store a comforter into a vacuum sealed bag. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do home decor, DIYs, rental friendly hacks, budget friendly hacks. So please feel free to view my other videos that are similar. So here I am placing the comforter inside this clear bag. This is the vacuum sealed bag. I purchased it from Amazon. I will try and put the link in the description so you can purchase it. So from here, after placing the comforter inside the bag, I will use this blue strip that came with it to seal the bag. What this do is help to seal all the hair inside so that it doesn't let out any hair. So after this is sealed, I take the pump, I screw the piece off at the top, that's the cork that seals the air inside, and then I start to pump the bag with the air. So this now is creating a suction to the bag so that it flattens. So as you can see, the air starts reducing and the bag is flattened. I put back the cork on it to seal that air inside the bag, and this is how it looks now. And you can store this maybe on your closet, in your closet, on the bed. It's very flat now, very easy storage. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next video.